Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and we're down in another builder base crawl space. And what I want to point out is here's the sub pump, and here's the drain tile tying into it that I dug out. Just 4-inch perforated pipe with a filter sock on it. Again, no aggregate. Hey Scott, how important is it to have a stone aggregate around this pipe? You think this thing's gonna clog?
It's probably already clogged.
Probably already clogged.
Yeah.
Yep. That would be a good assumption to make in this scenario. So when you are buying a house and they're telling you that you have a drainage system in your crawl space and it's encapsulated, if this is considered good drain tile install, you're going to have a problem right after you buy this house. So give HydroHero a call to inspect your crawl space, even when the house is being built, to make sure everything's done right. And you can call us at 302-321-7077. Find us on the web at hydrohero.com.